नहमदुहु व नुसल्ली अला रसूलिल करीम अम्मा बाद फ़अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम। Dear idols, Assalamu alaikum. Today we will talk what is attitude. कि एटीट्यूड क्या है? डेली लाइफ में आपने देखा होगा when you behave with someone, if you are in the home and you behave with your parents, and you behave your teacher if you are in the school, if you behave in a job places with your boss, and when you behave good in the assembly hall with the other assembly members, and when you behave with Prime Minister in a proper way, in a good way, these are things called attitude. But sometimes if you eat the food, and that way this is your attitude. If you get up early in the morning and you go to mosque and you pray to Allah, this is also your attitude. If in day-to-day life someone come and you give salam to them, this is also your attitude. But if you are in the home and you talk with your mother in a proper and in a good way, similarly, if you are on the way and you talk with the people in a very good way, it means that your attitude is very good. So education is the process which creates a positive change of your behavior. What means behavior? All action performed by a person is called the behavior of that person. For example, he eat the food. If he talk with someone, and if they perform some duty, if they in a proper way they perform the duty, and they work for the country, and they work for their home in a proper way, the people say that his attitude is very good. These are the attitude which create problem for the development of a country. So I request to all family of the world, particularly Pakistan, to improve the attitude of your children. And also I told to the education institution to first work on attitude, to improve the attitude of the student. Not focus mostly on their study, for example English, Urdu and maths. If they get more marks, they have PhD degree. They have get the degree from the university level, and they get the degree from the London, as well as from China and from America. But if his attitude is not good, so he is not beneficial for the country and for their home and for their village and district. So it is necessary for family elder to improve the attitude of their children. If their children attitude is good, when they go to school, so in time they will be reached to the school, and in time they will be returned from the school, because they know better. If I become late, what happens? Our parents will be confused and they will be doubt what they are doing. So the parents always care of the children, and they do the sacrifice for their children. Therefore, it is necessary for everyone to improve the attitude of their mahalla people, to improve the attitude of their village, and to improve the attitude of their nation and world. So this will not happen. It will affect the economic process of the country. There will be no fighting. There will be no corruption. And everyone will find the job. What happened? They will earn more. They will produce good product, and the GDP of the country this way will be improved. More return will come. The export will be improved, and less import will be processed because we will be fulfill their country on their own goods. And through this way, dollar will become more, and the bank reserve will be improved. And internationally, our power will become strong, and will be a good army. Because if we have money, if we have more money, what happened? There will be good industry, and there will be good agriculture production. Because the people attitude when is good, there will be no corruption, and they will perform the duty very well, and they think that how to develop my country. अपने मुल्क को हम किस तरह उसको तरक्की देंगे, वो किसी और मुल्क के साथ साझबाज नहीं रखेगा, वो सिर्फ अपने मुल्क के लिए थिंकिंग करेगा कि हाउ अपने मुल्क के लोगों को तरक्की देंगे. So therefore it is the duty of every person which live in Pakistan to work for Pakistan and not do the corruption, and through this way improve the economic development of the country. When more industry come, more job will come. If more institution come, more job will come. And the foreign student come to Pakistan, and the foreign people come for earning to Pakistan, and the foreign people automatically will be active, and they will spend their money in Pakistan. They invest the money in Pakistan because the environment will be good. If the attitude of the people will be good, automatically there will be no killing, and there will be no disturbance in the country, and there will be no stealing. Everyone will be safe. If the people will be safe, the other country of the world will be attracted. The visitor will come, and we earn the money. We will find the job. So this is the duty of every teacher to work on attitude, not more on subject. Second, work on subject. But first is the attitude of the student. When the attitude of the student develop, then they will become a mature person. They will work for Pakistan, not for other country of the world. Now we concluded this lecture. Good human have good attitude. If the people are good, positive, and nearest to Allah, their attitude automatically will be good. And if the people attitude will be good, they will be get up early in the morning and pray to Allah while they perform the duty well after their breakfast. So when they do the breakfast, then they go to the field or company or other where they are working, so they perform very well. They will see to Allah. They will work for Allah, and to this way, what happened? Their attitude will be improved, and through attitude improvement, the GDP of the country will be increasing and production will be increasing. So they never fight in their working place. If the attitude is good, those people never fight in the working place. They never tell a lie. They respect their elder, and they come to home early. They always help the others. They care the humanity of the world. They busy always in their work. They use the policy of the country, so their good attitude enhance the economic growth of the country. They also care of the world. So when we make the attitude of the children good, they will care the whole world, not only Pakistan. because there the humanity will be improved. They will see to all human beings. They will not do that type project which create a problem to other country of the world, to create a problem to environment, and to create a problem to soil, and to create a problem to water. So they will think and then they will implement the project which is beneficial for the all society of the world and country. Through this way, there will be safety, there will be peace, and all world people will come to that country. They will find the job, they will perform very well, and the employment will be generated, and there will be no employment in that country. So this is my explanation. I have about 34 years experience in teaching, and I have done also the research. I have also surveyed the KPK as well as other sector of Pakistan. I have observed how to develop the country. If there is no unity for the development of a country, then it is impossible that you develop the Pakistan economy. So, in the final, I concluded my lecture on those words. When you get up early in the morning, think for Pakistan, work for Pakistan. And if you work for Pakistan and in Pakistan develop, what happened? The people of Pakistan will be find the job, and there will be safety, there will be peace, and through this way they will also affect the economy of the world. Therefore, I highly focus to improve the attitude of our country children, and this is the work of the family, and this is the work of the educational institution. So, when you want to improve the attitude of their children, so the first thing is that you provide a good environment at their home, in their family, but also in your neighbor. You try if someone drank the chess or other thing, what happened? Then you try how to control it. If the other children are very weak and steady, so you will help, and you also keep the environment of your village good. If the environment of the village is good, then the pupil attitude will be improved, and when they come to the school, and also proper selection will do, and the person who character is bad not appoint a teacher, because the teacher and the professor are great people. They are the model for the whole world. If the professor or the teacher are bad and their character is bad and they are corrupted, so why our country develop, and how our children attitude will be improved? So मैंने आपको बता दिया कि सबसे बड़ा चीज़ क्या है, वो एटीट्यूड है बच्चों का, जो हमारे चिल्ड्रन है, बच्चे हैं। अगर हम उसके एटीट्यूड को अच्छा करेंगे तो वो फ्यूचर में अच्छा परफॉर्म करेगा, वो करप्शन नहीं करेगा, वो असेंबली में झगड़े वगैरह नहीं करेगा, वो एक अच्छा सा 5 ईयर प्लान बनाएगा, 100 ईयर प्लान बनाएगा। वहाँ अच्छे अच्छे लोग आप असेंबलियों में पाएंगे, वहाँ फाइटिंग नहीं होगी, वहाँ एक दूसरे के बात को देखा जाएगा और एबिलिटी के बेस पर डिसीजन किया जाएगा कि हाउ टू रिड्यूस द पॉवर्टी ऑफ द कंट्री एंड हाउ टू सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लम ऑफ अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट एंड हाउ टू इंक्रीज द प्रोडक्शन of the country and how to improve the export of the country and how to reduce the import of the country and how to protect the health of the people, how to establish a very good hospital there without money they are treated. So this is the role of the good attitude people. Therefore, focus highly on good attitude people. Work for them and improve the character of our younger. And when the younger character is improved, there will be no corruption. There will be no killing. There will be safety in the country. So please share my value with other people, student, and teacher, because they also know this knowledge how to improve the attitude of the children, how to improve the attitude of the school student, university student. So this is a great work. When the attitude of our younger improve automatically, the later will be die and the younger will become upper. And automatically this system will be improved and Pakistan will be developed. Wassalam.